Top 5 vitamins to stop acid reflux naturally. Acid reflux, often felt as a burning sensation in the chest, also known as heartburn or gastroesophageal reflux disease. It's a common issue that can disrupt digestion. It may cause symptoms such as a persistent sore throat, sharp chest pain, and nausea, particularly when lying down. But what's happening inside your body? Your stomach contains strong acid essential for breaking down the food you eat. Just above the stomach, at the lower end of the esophagus, is a small muscle called the lower esophageal sphincter. This valve opens to allow food to pass into the stomach and should remain closed otherwise to prevent acid from moving back up into the esophagus. However, for many people, this valve weakens and stays relaxed between swallows, allowing stomach acid and digestive enzymes to rise into the esophagus and throat. Symptoms of acid reflux. Number 1. A burning sensation behind the breastbone, especially when lying down. Number 2. A feeling like there's a lump in the throat. Number 3. Sour stomach contents or food regurgitating into the mouth. Number 4. Inflammation making swallowing difficult. Number 5. A sore throat and mucus buildup, often resulting in coughing or the need to clear the throat frequently. In this video, we'll explore 5 key vitamins and natural supplements that can help address acid reflux by restoring stomach acid balance. You'll also learn about lifestyle changes to help resolve the root cause of the condition. Just a quick reminder, this video is for educational purposes only, so to speak to your doctor if you have any medical concerns. Number 1. Betaine HCL with Pepsin. Betaine HCL is one of the most effective supplements for tackling acid reflux at its core. By taking 2 to 4 capsules of Betaine HCL before meals, you can help bring the pH of your stomach back to a more acidic level, aiding digestion. This helps the LAS valve to tighten, reducing reflux. After trying this for a few days, adjust the dosage if necessary. Over time, your stomach acid will normalize and your digestion will improve. Number 2. Ginger. Ginger is a natural remedy known for its ability to soothe gastrointestinal irritation, including the discomfort caused by acid reflux. If heartburn strikes, chewing on a slice of fresh ginger root can offer quick relief. Ginger contains compounds that reduce inflammation in the esophagus and stomach lining. It has been used for centuries to ease nausea, indigestion, and acid reflux. You can also take dried ginger capsules after meals or add fresh ginger to your meals. Number 3. Probiotics. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that play a vital role in digestion and gut health. They help produce acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that regulates the opening and closing of the LAS valve. This ensures that the valve opens when you eat and closes afterward to prevent reflux. Unfortunately, antibiotics, junk foods, and artificial sweeteners can deplete your gut of these friendly bacteria, increasing the risk of acid reflux. To replenish your gut bacteria, include probiotic-rich foods like kimchi, sauerkraut, kefir, and pickles in your diet. Alternatively, take liquid probiotic supplements to quickly boost your microbiome. If you're finding this information useful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn all notifications on to stay updated for my latest health and nutrition tips. Number 4. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is one of the most popular home remedies for heartburn and digestive issues. To use it, mix 1 tablespoon of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar in a glass of water and drink it before meals. The acetic acid in apple cider vinegar helps restore the proper pH balance in your stomach, improving digestion and reducing acid reflux. If your throat is very inflamed, consider taking apple cider vinegar capsules instead of the liquid form. Number 5. Zinc L-Carnosine. Zinc L-Carnosine is a compound developed in Japan, known for its ability to heal inflammation and damage in the digestive tract, particularly in the esophagus, stomach, and intestines. It helps repair the protective mucus lining, promoting healing in the affected areas. You can take 75 mg of zinc L-Carnosine daily or consume zinc-rich foods such as shellfish, grass-fed meats, and pumpkin seeds to ensure you meet your daily zinc requirements. How to stop acid reflux permanently. To address acid reflux at its core, follow these lifestyle changes. Number 1. Avoid antacids and instead take Betaine HCL or apple cider vinegar before meals to restore your stomach's acid balance. Number 2. Eat raw, shredded cabbage regularly. Cabbage is rich in vitamins and glutamine, which help heal the digestive system. Number 3. Cut out refined grains and vegetable oils like bread, pasta, corn oil, and replace them with whole foods like eggs, fish, meat, and vegetables. Number 4. Use Himalayan or Celtic sea salt to provide chlorides for stomach acid production, and consume potassium-rich foods like avocados, leafy greens, and salmon. Number 5. Drink carbonated mineral water in the morning to strengthen your stomach acidity. Number 6. Manage stress by taking daily walks, practicing relaxation techniques, and eating probiotic-rich foods to heal your gut. So it was all about my today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Like is always appreciated, and remember to subscribe and tap the bell for more videos.